What is up, designers? My name is Seso, and I'm happy to introduce Filter Archive, the plugin meant to give your Photoshop the filters it should have had. It comes with 30 customizable filters with updates monthly, like Starlight, Color Threshold, Emboss, CRT, Bitmap, DK, as well as live background generators to help you kind of fill some space. And just so much more. It's the filter for Photoshop and Figma very soon, meant to grow as you grow. All new filters are going to be added into Filter Archive, meaning whether if you subscribe for monthly or you purchase it for the one-time purchase, it comes with lifetime updates. And if you know my track record with the Everything Pack, then you just kind of understand. But you guys can check it out today at sesohq.com.